Hot sauce, we got Jesus famous dishes. Italian blend and blackened seasoning. Chicken wings, just up, baby. You just mess it right here. 400 degrees. Well, a little olive oil in any one of my 20 rubs. Skin side up. Don't open up the oven. Don't do nothing. Don't check on it. 1 hour exactly. Set your timer. Then come back with your peppers, your onions, or whatever you want to add to it. A little water. Cover 2 hours. Guaranteed. The best turkey wings you ever had, baby. Turkey wings, turkey legs, either or. Don't have to add them out. But remember, 1 hour, 400 degrees. Drop down to 300 after that 1 hour, though. It's real important. Oh, your mind. Let's see what we got, baby. Each one is slugging. One in the chamber back here, baby. We got everybody. We got the Hot Sauce Squad and the Ultimate Hot Sauce Squad. If y'all don't know, the Hot Sauce Squad with the first 10, Ultimate with the second 10 that came out. That I came out with. What's up, baby? Go for the matter. Oh yeah, she hot, baby. She hot. Ooh. Go for the matter. That's what I'm talking about right here. Best turkey wings you ever had right here, baby. Go for the matter. Italian blend and blackened seasoning turkey wings right there. That combination go good together right there. Like I said, I got 20 spices. You can mix and blend a couple of them. It'll be the best spice you ever had right there, baby. Oh, it's matter. You got the you got the yellow peppers. Yellow peppers. Got the orange peppers. Got the red peppers. Yes, up, baby. Look at that right there, baby. I'm getting no better than that. It's matter. Got the onions. This right here is Jesus famous dishes. Italian blend of blackened seasoning. Chicken wings. Hot sauce.